Got a 2020 Ford F150 STX. Really nice truck. Has some damage to the rear tailgate. A little repairable damage to the right rear bedside. Rear bumper looks okay. The left side bedside needs to be replaced, or maybe you can find a whole used bed and replace it. Let's walk around. We have some damage to the left rear door, cab. Some damage to this door here. Let's check the roof. The unit does start and drive. Looks like something fell on the roof and the left rear bedside. It was storm damage. Take a look inside. All the airbags are intact. Everything under the hood is clean. No damage to the engine compartment. It does start, it does drive. Overall, nice vehicle. Good builder. A lot of used parts are readily available for this type of vehicle. Ford F150 parts are all over the place. You can search on eBay, on car-part.com. Prices are reasonable for used parts. If you like the content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, like the video, turn on your notifications, and we'll keep the content coming. Thanks for watching.